Paintbrush in Ornatrix for Cinema 4D allows you to paint color and monochrome hair values directly inside the viewport. As of version 4, you can also paint bitmap textures with fine control. Let's learn how to do that. Open your Cinema 4D scene containing Ornatrix hair. Select the hair shape and add an Edit Guides modifier at the top of the stack. Go to the Object tab, then under Tools, select the brush. After that, choose Paintbrush from the list that appears. But if you try to paint something now, it won't work. We'll first need to create a Strand data channel to which we will store the painted color information. Go back to Edit Guides again and open the Channels tab. Then enable Per Vertex under Strand Channels. Set type to RGBA and click Add Per Vertex channel. Enter a name. I recommend using groom_color right away because later you can use it in Unreal Engine. Then click OK. You can see the hair change color to reflect the values in the new channel. Drag the brush to paint constant color values onto your character, or press Flood button to flood the whole channel with the selected color. Select the wavy blonde brush texture. In the viewport, move your mouse over your character and hold right mouse button. Moving your mouse now will pan the texture. Now, also hold down the control button. Moving your mouse will rotate the texture. Finally, press the Shift plus Control to zoom the texture as desired. Without holding down any keys, drag the brush to paint the texture onto your character. Switch to and paint another brush texture. We'll use the Ephere logo. Click the Browse button above the texture list to open the directory containing brush texture bitmaps. You can add or remove PNG bitmaps here, which will then be reflected in the Paintbrush Settings texture list. Note the Tile Texture option, which is on by default. Turning this option off will make sure that only one texture tile is painted during the same drag. You are now ready to raise your hair texturing game by painting with bitmaps. Share your thoughts in the comments below and join our Discord server for more tips.